Hey girlfriends, welcome back to the channel for another video. If you're new here, my name is GeranikaMycia, but all my friends call me G, and welcome back to the channel, girl, for another video. This is going to be most likely a vlogmas video. I don't know what you guys are about to see. I'm just getting back from New York. I got back yesterday, like last night, and we are back with it. So today my plans was to first go to the gym, but yesterday I got a call from my sister basically asking me could I babysit, and I'm like, hold up, how many kids? Okay, but there's one person that I feel like I can't say no to. Like when it's time to babysit, I can't say no to Brother Baby, y'all. So we have Brother Baby here with us today, but I'm dressed for the gym. I have on some, y'all, Target online. Baby, when I tell y'all, have been giving me all of the vibes. So when I was just in New York, I went to LO to see if I can get some cute little workout clothes. What I love about LO is not really workout clothes. It's more like athleisure wear. So LO is like bomb. Like when I tell you LO eats Lululemon up every single time, LO is just like that, girl. But I don't have one here, so I will always have to shop in store. And my problem is the returns, girl. So when I went in New York, I went to LO. Most of the things that I was seeing at LO, y'all, why are they like duping on Target? Target is coming through in the clutch, y'all. So while I was in New York, I just purchased another Target workout order. I'm going to show y'all, I don't know if y'all care about this, but I'm going to show y'all all of the pieces that I've been picking up, because when I tell y'all, the quality on these pieces are amazing. And when I was in New York, I went to so many different workout or athleisure wear places, and girl, I was like, I'm okay with my Target clothes. And the Target pieces, the most I've paid for a piece at Target was maybe $28. So I'm going to share with y'all some of the stuff that I would highly recommend. Like this top. This is, I don't want to move this camera. This top, y'all, look, let me see. Look how cute this is. Now this top, you can wear it in the front or the back. So if the front is a little too much for you, you can wear it in the back. On days when I'm doing like light cardio, just walking on the incline, I'll wear it from the front. But if I'm doing like yoga, or I'm doing something like running, or something that's just gonna cause me to be a little more active, I would turn it around and you can wear it from the back. So I'm gonna link these things down below. But right now, me and Brother Baby, well, I'm drinking my kombucha and he's drinking his bottle. So after we finish drinking our drinks, we're gonna go downstairs to the gym, because for some reason when I have people kids, I don't like driving in a car with people kids. I just feel like I be driving like this. Girl, I'm watching for everything, trying to make sure nothing is going wrong, okay? I need to give people back their kids the way they gave the kid to me, okay? Y'all, he is looking at me crazy, like who is she talking to? So I'm about to go to the gym, and I will see you guys later. Say hello. Hey y'all. lemon ginger tea since I'm a little under the weather, and then I'm gonna start my walk. Now, French truck coffee in New Orleans is like very famous. I believe it's like a locally owned coffee shop, but I never had coffee from here. I think I did years ago, but I never had tea from here, so let's see. Thank you. Probably need a little bit of a stir. Probably tired of hearing me say get out and go for a walk, but I promise y'all, like, walking is just, especially around this time of year, like when it's like not too cold, it's not hot, it's like perfect. You put on like a nice sweater. I had my tea. It's just so peaceful. Like this morning, I told you I woke up with like a little anxiety because I was thinking about all of my goals for next year. Right now I just feel so grounded and peaceful. I just feel like something about nature is just so powerful, okay? And I really have been enjoying these walks, and I'm gonna keep telling y'all, get out and go for a walk because it is amazing for your mental health, okay? Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God, I am, baby, I'm done. I just left the gym. I only really went because I was gonna save, like, I go tomorrow. I went because my friend Kurt, you count your days. You need to go back to New York, okay? He comes sending me pictures. We was on a FaceTime this morning, and he was talking about he wanted seafood, boudin seafood, whatever. No, boudin egg rolls. Oh my God, I love boudin egg rolls, and I only get them from one place. So I told him where to go to get them. He comes sending me a picture. So all day when we was talking about these egg rolls, y'all, I just have been craving fried food. I haven't had fried food yet. Today makes 2 weeks in 1 day. I haven't had fried foods. I haven't had a snack. It's just kind of like I feel like I cut everything off cold turkey. Baby, today, it took everything in me. My spirit was saying, we're going out to eat. I want to go out to eat, baby. I want red beans with fried catfish. I want boudin egg rolls. I want fried chicken. I want French fries. Kurt, count your days, okay? So instead, I was about to go out to eat. Soon as I felt myself about to pull the trigger and get in that car and go out to eat, I said, girl, I put back on my workout clothes. Come on. You're going to the gym. So I went to the gym. So I'm about to take a shower. Tonight I want to do skincare. Now, when I say skincare, of course I'm going to do my face. That's kind of like a given. But twice a week I do a full body skincare where I exfoliate and I deep hydrate and all that. I did a reel and the dress was kind of like showing a lot of skin, and someone asked me how do I get like my skin like a even, smooth looking finish. That's definitely the key. I exfoliate twice a week, and I do like this routine where I do like a deep moisture treatment. So I'm doing that tonight. nail shop. People always ask me what is the color on my nails. I only use one color. I use the OPI white, and this is Alpine Snow. So this is my favorite gel white polish. I don't feel like it's like a milky white. It's not like chalk white or too white. It's like perfect. So can I just say how tired I am, y'all? I am tired. I feel like I need a nap, but I got too much to do for me to be up in here playing in the bed. I know I'm not gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna just lay there and probably be watching something on my phone. So I'm not getting to bed because I have so much to do. But I'm about to do a quick Trader Joe's haul. And so first up, I got green tea. Why am I so hard? I got this one because it is decaf, and I usually do decaf green tea at night. I got some ginger shots, and I did get 4 of these because that's something that I have to have in my fridge, y'all, at all times. I got my favorite garlic olive oil. At this point, this is the only olive oil that I buy. It is so good. This is actually the best garlic olive oil that I've ever had. I tried one from Whole Foods. I ended up taking that one back, and it was like $17. This one is $5. So good. I got pineapple juice to mix with my green juice. I got the Green Goddess seasoning. Someone asked me, what do I use this on, y'all? I use this on almost everything, okay? This and the onion salt is my favorite. Next, I got black truffle Alfredo pasta sauce. One of the girls who worked there was telling me how good this is, and I saw all of these people running to it when the boy was putting it on the shelf. So I was like, oh my God, let me try this. And I also have been craving pasta. I haven't had pasta in so long because that's like one thing that I usually try to limit myself from eating or cut out, especially when I'm trying to drop or shed a few pounds. But today, baby, we eating pasta, so I'm about to actually make this. So I also got it with rigatoni noodles. Now, I never tried these before. Anytime I go to a restaurant, I usually see them, but I just be like, whatever. So I'm going to try my pasta today with this. Next, I got some vegetable fried rice. This is my favorite fried rice. I don't get the one that has chicken in it because I don't like frozen food with meat in it. I think that's disgusting. So with this, I usually cut up shrimp or I cut up chicken and add it to it myself. And I just like dress it up with like soy sauce or teriyaki sauce, y'all. I have to have this in my freezer. Like on days when I don't feel like cooking, this literally takes me a good 5 to 10 minutes and I got a whole meal. So I actually got 4 of these. I got 2 things of vegan butter spread. All right, so that's all that I got. I'm about to put this stuff up, start cooking lunch/dinner while I have time. It's 1:14. I'd rather cook like dinner and stuff right now. That's another thing that definitely has been helping me with like watching what I eat. Anytime I have time, I just go ahead and cook. So it could be there. I don't wait till I'm hungry to try to cook because that's when I start eating bad. So while I have time, I'm about to cook the pasta, put this stuff up. And tonight I'm thinking about going to hot yoga, but I'll see y'all later.
Come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore. Come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come let us adore him. Come let us adore him. Come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant.
Hey girl, so I completely forgot about this vlog. I did not close this vlog out. Girl, started a whole new vlog. I completely forgot about y'all. To the point where I'm already on another vlog. I don't even know what we talked about in this vlog, what we did in this vlog. I don't know, but I just came to say thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all of the things, because I honestly forgot all about y'all. I already started a new vlog. So, ooh, y'all, today was a day. Maybe y'all gonna see that in another vlog. I'm editing, and I just finished recording. I'm editing a video. Blame the Pinot Grigio, because today has been a long day. It's 11 o'clock right now, and I'm just now finished recording, and I still have to edit. So hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog, baby. I ain't gonna sit here and hold you. I don't know what we did in this vlog, because this vlog should have been long gone. I could have swore I closed it out, but I didn't. So make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey y'all, so it's Editing G, and for some reason, y'all, a lot of the clips that I had or footage that I had for this vlog, it's not allowing me to upload the clips. So that's why this video is pretty choppy. It's all over the place, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm definitely about to make sure that this won't happen again in the next vlog. It will flow seamlessly. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the clips that I was able to piece together. If you did, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, because oh girl,